Hello kapitbahay, quick question. Kapag narinig mo yung salitang BPI o pangalang BPI, ano yung pumapasok sa isip mo? Pero alam nyo ba na si BPI, the oldest bank in Southeast Asia, ay may subsidiary bank? Subsidiary banks na ito ay dedicated para sa mga small business owners and masang Pilipino. Now let's talk about BPI Direct Banko o mas kilala bilang Bangko. So paano nga ba ito ginawa? And ano ba yung difference nito between sa regular na BPI and paano ka makikinabang dito? So in simple terms, Bangko is microfinance arm of BPI. Main mission nila is financial inclusion. Ito kasi nila ma-reach out yung mga na-overlook ng mga malalaking bangko. Yung tinatawag nilang SEMEs o self-employed micro-entrepreneurs. Sila yung may-ari ng mga sari-sari stores, karinderya owners, online sellers, market vendors, at mga maliliit na producers. So for this part naman, let's talk about ano-ano ba yung mga ino-offer ni Bangko. Actually, hindi lang pautang si Bangko, it's also a financial tool. Unahin na natin dyan yung ino-offer niya, which they call negosyo ko loans. This one is yung pinaka-flagship products nila, o pwedeng manghiram ng pondo para sa gustong mag-expand ng mga businesses nila. Meron din silang mga tinatawag na pondo ko at Instacash ko loans. Number 2 naman is my favorite, yung pondo ko and todo savings. Gusto mong mag-ipon? Then this is the right tool for you. Meron silang high interest savings account na tinatawag na todo savings, which gives you up to 5% interest rate per annum. Siyempre, that is via the Bangko mobile app. Pwede ito para sa iyong freedom fund or pwede mo rin itong lagyan ng emergency fund mo kasi hindi nakalock in yung pera na nilagay mo dito. So, for those people who wants to expand their businesses or even looking for a place to save up for their funds, why not try to check the BPI Direct Bangko? You can download their mobile app or you can visit the nearest Bangko branch in your city. If you learned something about this video, feel free to like, share, and follow for more contents like this. And also, you may use my referral code down below if you're interested in opening an account with Bangko. Yun lang. Thanks for watching!